Hello guys, in this session we will learn the various data types supported by the JSON. JSON supports the wide range of data type which include number, string, boolean, array, object and null. Number is used to store both integer as well as floating point values. String represent the alphanumeric character. Note that the string is enclosed with the double quotes. For adding the some special character, we need to use the escape sequence. Following are the escape sequence: slash double quote for double quotation, slash single quote for single quotation, double slash for backslash, slash forward slash for forward slash u followed by the 4-digit represent the Unicode digit, slash n for new line, slash t for horizontal tab. Boolean represent either true or false value. Array is a collection of the homogeneous data which is in the form of the sequence. Object is a collection of key and value pairs. Null represent the empty value. Let's understood with the small example. In this example, our string is a normal string. We are not using the any escape sequence. Let's use the slash n, and I am uncommenting this alert and reload it. Now we are get the title in the new line. However, not in this because it is created in the HTML code. For here, if we want to create a new line here, we need to use the br instead of slash n or slash r. For creating the Unicode text, we need to write u followed by 4-digit. Our Unicode represent the down arrow. Unicode digit include the F hexa digit which start from the 1 to F. That we are adding more property in this data. Item availability and the item price. Item availability could be yes or no. Therefore, we are taking the boolean item where colon for separation and its a value here true or false. I am taking false now, and add one new property, item price. Item price, and I am giving null because item is not available. I can't say its price, and retrieve those data using the JavaScript. Plus item availability plus JSON data dot item availability plus item price colon plus JSON data dot item price, and reload our page. We can see that the item availability is now add with the value of false and the price with the null. We will learn the array and object in the next lesson.